Richard with Rako Controls, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a project file to the bridge. This gives you control from a smartphone or tablet, and here's how you do it. So if you haven't already done so, you can check back at the other 4 videos that I did about creating a Rako project file. Open up the software again and connect to the bridge, and you also need to click on the bridge under device list. Search for the data transfer tab at the top of the page and then click upload. Once you've done this, this will upload all the room and channel information that we've put in our project. Once that's done, we can go to our tablet, find the Rako app, and you'll see the rooms that we've put in on the left hand side. So we can select a room and we should have control by just pressing a scene button. If we want to edit a scene from here, we choose the scene that we want to edit. So in this case, let's do scene 3. Use the sliders to change the levels of lighting within the room. And when you're happy with that, just click Save Scene and then confirm. So you'll see now when I go back to scene 1, that's 100%, that's the default setting. And if I select scene 3, that will go back to those levels I've just set. If I come out the living room and go into the cinema room, you'll see all the different channels of lighting that we put in the cinema room. We also put some blind control in there, so we have a little blind icon at the top of the page, and we put some colour change lighting in this room. This automatically puts a colour wheel onto the app, and we can use this to change colour obviously, and there's a slider on the left hand side so we can fade the colour up and down, or the level intensity of the colour up and down there. So hopefully that's your system up and running and you've got control from the app. There's loads of other features in the bridge, and hopefully I'm going to post up some other videos at some point soon to show you those things. So thanks for watching and see you soon.